What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys saw last video, then you saw that we are moving into a new shop, and that is actually what we're doing today. So we've got the truck and the trailer over here, and we are getting this thing loaded up and getting all the stuff moved out and dropping it off at the shop to get set up tonight. Say hello, Harry.
Hello.
As you guys know, we had that garage, this garage, and this garage here at our apartment complex, but it got a little bit difficult to be able to do work out of and everything like that. I mean, they're, at the end of the day, just small garages. So we are going to be moving everything over to the shop. I've actually already cleared out this garage, that garage, and this garage and moved it all over to the shop. Now we are working on getting the last one cleared out, getting everything moved into the trailer, and get everything set up in there tonight, hopefully. Don't you, hey, chill out, hang on, wait. Ah. My dang drawer wasn't closed all the way.
Oh my God.
Believe it or not, we have a lot more stuff than I thought between 4 garages. We're getting the last little bit of it. We've actually been moving all day. We just haven't been recording everything, but I cannot wait. We're gonna go back over to the shop and show you guys what all we have here in a second. It's gonna be cool, bruh. It's gonna be dope, bruh.
He looks like a little minion.
We gotta move these shelves right here. We gotta move the workbench.
Everything.
We gotta move everything. Oh yeah, I forgot.
We gotta move.
Our extendo. I'm just happy to finally get a bigger space. Yank some motors and stuff.
Gavin, your cross member is glittery.
Oh yeah, that's from the glitter bomb that exploded in my face whenever I opened up ammo one day.
Hi, Meatloaf.
Dude, this thing is filling up so fast. It doesn't look like that much stuff once it's in a garage, but in a trailer, you can definitely see how much it is. There's a bunch of stuff in there. Probably just gonna leave all this random crap everywhere for right now. I still own this garage, so we're just probably gonna clean all this up later on, I think. As long as we got the bulk majority of the items that we can get moved in tonight. Dang, we didn't put nothing up here.
Grab as close to the middle about
Hang on.
here as you can.
Nope, they won't go inside of each other. That's dumb.
We could just go like this.
Put one inside the other.
Like that.
We got everything strapped together at least. We're not going far. The shop is literally like 5 minutes or less down the road. So we're just gonna slowly idle there and pull everything. I don't think anything's gonna tip over in here, cross my fingers, but all right, let's head over there. We have arrived. That's the worst thumbnail of all time. I'm talking to myself. All right, guys, we got Allison and the trailer all backed up into here. We are now ready to unload the trailer finally. Let me show you guys what all that we got moved over here so far. We've got the white truck, the Miata, the Mustang, of course, and a bunch of engines and a bunch of other parts that I got to show you guys a little bit later on. But we've got literally everything that was in all of these garages and everything from all different places, and we've got it all over here now. We just got to get it all organized and obviously unload the bulk stuff that's in the trailer right now. Hey, it doesn't look like nothing fell over either. That's good. Hell yeah. Give us just a second, guys. We're gonna unload everything that is in the trailer right here and get it all halfway set up and organized, and then we'll just walk through and show you guys everything that's going on pretty much today. So give us just a moment to unload this trailer.
Perfect.
Hey.
It looks
Close enough.
It looks great.
Okay, we got the whole trailer unloaded. We've got the shelves and everything all right here. We now are just gonna, I guess, get this all set up. We've got to move everything, unfortunately, that we've already stacked all over this wall, including the engine and everything else we've got over here. We got to move it all out the way so we can put the shelves up against the wall, which is it's not gonna be fun, but oh well. Hey, Justin.
Yeah,
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm shitting.
My camera can see you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That was really cold on my ball sack, man.
Is your ball sack dirty now?
Bro, what you doing? How'd you get up there? Did you climb on that? Yeah. What the hell? What is up there?
I'm sorry, Harris.
Bro, we need to put some stuff up there. What can we put up there to decorate?
Figure it out.
A big ass like.
What? Oh, yeah.
You left your prints, man.
You ain't slick.
Bro, we should put up like a Gixxer 1000 up here.
A Gixxer 1000? The whole bike? Hey, Daniel, Photoshop, or I don't know, put a Gixxer up there right now. Make Harry ride it. Harry, Here, act like you're riding it. I'm gonna get Daniel to make you a jigsaw on. Oh yeah, get him on it. We just sprouted the best idea about how to move this whole entire pallet because it's really, really heavy and we could not do it by hand. So we're gonna employ the help of the little Miata right here. Check this out. All right, this is actually an off-road Miata. So we got these tow hooks right here. I think that tow hook is strong enough to pull that whole entire pallet.
We're about to do some real Puerto Rican shit in this bitch.
Flip the lights. Let me see how happy that thing is, bro.
Everything.
Yeah.
Flip them lights. Yeah.
Sounds like a forklift horn.
If you're happy and you know it, honk your horn. If you're happy and you know it, honk your horn.
That clutch is weird as shit, huh?
I tried to stall it and it almost took off. Wait. Oh, I know the clutch is weird as shit. This is my second one.
Justin.
Oh yeah, no, I was looking.
What happened, my dude?
Oh, hey, get that triangle piece. I feel like this is not a good idea. Woo!
There's definitely one way to do it.
Back into the Miata is swerving. You're good?
Hold up real fast.
Do I need to be recording any of this?
We'll just make like a giant smashed up montage of us just moving a bunch of stuff. Make it seem like a Drake and Josh TV show with happy music and stuff playing, or just like dancing around and moving stuff. That's what we'll do.
Well, I know Daniel's definitely gonna put that one in there.
It's gonna take some time to realize.
This is like a dream come true for me, but like on a crazier, higher level than that.
Oh, we got a fire extinguisher.
Safety first. You already know that we're gonna be doing some crazy stuff. Not really though.
Well, fuck that battery.
Fuck that battery.
That's a fucking Optima red top there, bro.
Fuck that battery, boy.
That's an expensive battery.
How do you turn it around?
Put that shit in front of there.
Ooh, fancy.
It's only self-tapped in that motherfucker, dude.
Yeah, man.
Hell no! Get us down, bro!
It's okay.
No, look at this shit. It's self-tap screwed into this big ass platform thing.
Harry, bro, look. I ain't scared, bro. What hole are you talking
We're trying to put wheels up here, the extra wheels on top of the bathroom right
See
here.
this shit right here?
You can literally put one on
See
each
these?
board.
See these nails? That's where you want to step, where the nails are, because you know there's a board under there.
Yeah, but look, this whole platform is held up by these self-tapper screws that go into this.
No,
Self-tappers.
bro, it's held up by the freaking 2x6s that are
This is
made out of
wild.
the walls.
I don't like it.
These are
Harry, climb out to the middle. Justin's gonna watch this video and be like, what the fuck are y'all doing? Bro, what do y'all stink? Who stinks? Is that you guys?
What does it smell like?
Like, oh look, Austin went to work. Banana cream and ass.
Harry's supposed to say to a banana.
Wait. Is that Justin?
Hey, we should just all hurry up and get up on top there.
I'm gonna push you off. Get your ass down, bro.
He's so nervous. He's so nervous.
Once he asks you to take off running, just jump through it. Yeah.
Oh shit, he's so nervous. God.
I'm not the heights.
He's scared.
Hey, what's the address here?
You don't know the address to your own shop?
No.
That's pretty bad.
We're gonna make a zip line.
We got another gift for the Miata, courtesy of Justin and courtesy of Raceland. What are they? Ultima Coilovers.
Yeah, it's the best they got.
Let's check out and see what they look like. Damn, that actually looks kind of cool. Actually, really cool. Damn, B. Look at the new coilovers for this little ass car. This is lit.
bad, huh?
I'm about to say the color is really nice. All right, guys, we have pretty much everything moved in right now that we're gonna move over here. We got everything organized on the shelves and all. We've got heaters in here. It feels great, kind of. But anyways, it's freezing cold outside. Tomorrow, we are going to be working on the Miata, and we've got to put on the new coilovers that we got. As you guys see, we've got these Raceland coilovers that they were gracious enough to send to us. Super happy about that. So yeah, we're going to be installing those here shortly. I will talk to you guys in the morning whenever we get back up here, and we're going to get these things put on.
to me.